Well, I think the big ones have already been mentioned, right? So number one, contracting. We talk about contracting for cloud within the DoD. It's still being the Wild West. A DoD mission partner will come to me and I have these applications and I want to move them to a commercial cloud capability. My answer is usually like, well, here's a business card for a couple sales guys. Give them a call, hook up a contract, and then come back and talk to me.
Yeah. Well, it's a different model, I mean, it's not contracting like we did traditionally. This is a different thing.
So the good news there is, and I was talking to Scott about this before we started the show, is there's a new organization within the department called the CESG, the Cloud Enterprise Steering Group, and one of their efforts is really to create this new blanket vehicle where you'll be able to buy commercial cloud within the department as a service. And so the RFI for that hit the street last week, and there's going to be an RFP that's going to come out later about that. But that's really going to help, hopefully, solve the how do we buy commercial cloud capabilities within the department. And to piggyback on what Ralph was talking about, the IC has done some really good work with working with the commercial cloud providers for on-prem cloud capabilities,
right,
and virtual on-prem, however you want to define it, at the TSS levels. But we battle with the IC on a constant basis, not in a bad way, and it's really more about the color money, right? So we get into this whole Title 50, Title 10. They have contracts with commercial cloud providers that we can't leverage because where our money comes from, right. And it goes back to it's something that Congress has to solve, honestly.
Absolutely.
Because
there's a lot of examples of that, by the way, when I was in there. I mean, let's go to teleworking and save all this money. Well, there's different pockets of money there. There's, or let's do something, reduce travel. Well, the travel budget, IT money and travel money are different. IT money and telecommuting money are different. So, but continue. But you're making some good points there.
And we're getting visibility at the AT&L and the senior leadership level within the DoD that there is a cost in migrating applications to the cloud, and so we're starting in the finance cycle. We're starting to see emphasis on money dedicated towards migrating applications to the cloud. So that's a good news. But those have been the challenges. It's really been contractual and budget. Much of what Mr. K talked about.
Yeah.
So.